This is the DEFCON warning system. Alert status for 8 p.m., Friday, May 1st, 2015. Condition green, DEFCON 5. Condition green, DEFCON 5. Condition green, DEFCON 5. There are currently no imminent nuclear threats against the United States at this time. Russia has sent 2 nuclear-capable bombers into Alaska's air defense zone. This time, the U.S. does not send out interceptors. Russia has signed a defense agreement with Argentina, complicating relations with the United Kingdom. Russia has also announced that they are planning joint drills together with China in the Mediterranean Sea. China has begun to build artificial islands in disputed South China Sea territory to further its claim in the area, sending warships to repel other countries which also claim part of the sea as their own. Additionally, both Russian and Chinese incursions into Japanese airspace have increased. Also in the Asian theater, China is reporting that their estimates place North Korea's nuclear arsenal at 20 weapons with capacity to double in the next year. Russia has lifted its ban on delivery of S-300 missile air defense systems to Iran. Meanwhile, many European countries continue to cut their military budgets despite more aggressive military action by Russia, depending more heavily on the United States for protection, when the US is already stretched too thin. The United States, for its part, has begun training Ukrainian forces to fight against Russian-backed troops in Ukraine, while Russian troops build up on the border and inside held territory. The DEFCON warning system is a private enterprise which monitors world events and assesses nuclear threats against the United States by national entities. It is not affiliated with any government agency and does not represent the alert status of any military branch. The public should make their own evaluations and not rely on the DEFCON warning system for any strategic planning. At all times, citizens are urged to learn what steps to take in the event of a nuclear attack. If this had been an actual attack, the DEFCON warning system will give radiation readings for areas that are reported to it. Your readings will vary. Official news sources will have radiation readings for your area. For immediate updates, go to www.defconwarningsystem.com. Breaking news and important information can be found on the DEFCON warning system message board and on the DEFCON Twitter feed DEFCON WS. You may also subscribe to the YouTube channel DEFCON Warning System and the DEFCON Warning System mailing list. Note that Twitter and YouTube updates may be subject to delays. The next scheduled update is 8 p.m. Pacific Time, June 1st, 2015. Additional updates will be made as the situation warrants, with more frequent updates at higher alert levels. This concludes this broadcast of the DEFCON warning system.